Hello everybody. I've got a little side project I've been working on over the weekend, and this was designed to help me fine-tune SteinWipe motion control. And the way it works is it helps me track how much filament has actually been extruded out, because we can't see the extruder since we can't see it moving. We just have to kind of look at how the filament is moving, and that's kind of a hard gauge. So this here helps me determine exactly how much filament has moved. And it's gone through a couple iterations already. We can kind of look and see the inside here. There's a couple O-rings, and the diameter has been fine-tuned. And I've got quite a few of these that I've printed to get the filament travel just right. I also tried to make this on everything that's available in the MakerWorld store. That way you guys will have an easier time to get a hold of some of these parts to make this. And yeah, let's go check it out. Let's see how it actually works. Well, about 150 filament changes into this now. So you can move the dial on the top, so you can kind of zero it out. So I'll just hold this here for a moment. We'll wait for it to go to the next cycle. There we go. So we got 30 mil so far extruded on this cycle. 34. And 34 mil on this cycle. We can see it does retraction here. And it's going to suck out that filament. And there it goes. So it bolts onto the back of your printer. This one's not as invasive as SteinWipe, but it seems to be pretty good so far. Probably even take it apart. And you can kind of see the inner workings. Sorry, I'm not left-handed, but we'll make this work. You can see there's a little idler bearing that keeps pressure on the filament. And our filament goes through this little path right here. There it goes. We'll have to put this back on when it comes back around. So I'm trying to pull focus and put this together at the same time. There we go. Just got one screw in it for now. And that's it. Just a little mini side project for everybody. Innovators, you will get the CAD files to this, and makers will get all the maker files, which will be like 5 or 6 different STLs. Here's some of the insides. So these ones here were just test pieces to see if I can get it all fitting nice and tight. So So this fits in there like that. There's another one that goes here. PTFE tube goes down the inside of this, and then the hole is also threaded so that you can put your pneumatic inserts in there. There's a little channel here that allows you to see where the tube is to make sure it's seated, and you just cut the tube right on the end. I'll come up with a more professional looking video to show it all off, but this is just a quick little update just so that you guys can see you have something new to look forward to.